Fayetteville nonprofit New Beginnings is starting its own new chapter.
The city's planning commission has approved the addition of medical respite cabins to the nonprofit's campus of cabins for the unhoused. Organizers say it's the first program of its kind in Arkansas.
5 News reporter Rachel Williams shows us how the nonprofit is working to fill a gap in the healthcare system.
Welcome to A Place to Heal. It's a cabin on the edge of the New Beginnings campus dedicated to people experiencing homelessness who are well enough to be discharged from the hospital, but too frail to be on the streets.
Our hope is to increase their health and decrease the need for them to go back into the hospital for the same problem, or to prolong the healing from whatever it was that put them in the hospital in the first place.
On a day-to-day basis, New Beginnings residents receive treatment by the Director of Healthcare, Janet Gardner, who says she already has nursed multiple residents back to good health.
Without her presence being here, it'd be rough. It'd be rough in terms of the medical stuff that she supplies for us.
Rodney Christian had a torn rotator cuff and needed physical therapy for 2 months.
It had gotten bad to where I couldn't lift up a phone, a cup of coffee. I was walking around like Frankenstein, and I was scared. I was reluctant to allow people to help me out. Miss Janet's talked me right through it. She just talked me right through it. Told me everything was going to be okay.
And now he says he's more than okay. Imagine if that were the case for those who are unhoused.
We saw the need that somebody just having the 3 foundations sort of healing, having rest, having nutrition, and having hygiene. And those are things that people experiencing homelessness don't get.
Right now, 2 cabins on campus are already being used as a place for healing, but the plans going forward are
5 extra cabins sort of out on the perimeter of the New Beginnings campus. We will have 3 designated cabins with beds for people. Then we'll have 1 designated cabin that is for therapies. So where home health can come, where physical therapy can come, all of those services, where the physicians can come from Washington Regional, who we're partnering with. And then we'll have 1 cabin that is a bathroom facility.
The hospitals where people are receiving that care will initiate reaching out to New Beginnings to make a referral, and then we'll work hand in hand to ensure that the person is a good fit and that their level of care is what we can meet, and then they'll kind of hand them off to us.
In Fayetteville, covering news where you live, Rachel Williams, 5 News.
By the way, New Beginnings is taking part in the annual fundraiser, Northwest Arkansas Gives Day. It's April 4th, raises $75,000 to pay for these new cabins.